And if you know the lyrics and you can sing along, clap your hands and pat your feet until it's time to go. We hope you all enjoy the Bird Night Show. So what's tonight's show? It's a original bluegrass numbers, ain't it, Bert?
Just some bluegrass is all it is.
Yeah. Just bluegrass. Good old bluegrass. Well, we got a fiddle over there. Look, we got Charlie back, ladies.
I drove me in again.
He's still single.
That's right.
Still
Drove
single.
me in again.
He tripped. We was all trying to get in the door, and Charlie busted through us like we were old tin cans. I'm telling you, the rough one was old folks, wasn't he?
Yeah. Well, I tell you, old Jason, he's on the phone. He didn't know what hit when I came in. I mean, he's just,
I know. He's like, whoa, now.
I'm a wanted man.
most of the time.
Sometimes it ain't good, sometimes it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm a wanted man most of the time.
Alrighty, well I tell you what, we're going to do a number for you right here that I'm sure everybody's heard. It's an old Bill Monroe number. You know, we got a fiddle player now, so we're going to utilize these Bill. Here we Let me tell you what, Bert, mighty fine job. Mighty fine job fiddling over there. I tell you what, guys, I missed that bass. I tell you what, that's up. I was over here, I couldn't stand still. Tuning in. All you got to do, just remember, guys, you've got to
Subscribe
and click like on that thing. Help us out. We're trying to grow this channel. We're just a bunch of guys jamming. I mean, having fun. That's all this is about. And just spreading our music, you know. And hopefully you're enjoying it out there. And if you see something you like, man, let us know. If you got a song, again, send it to us. Either way, you can send it click comments here on the YouTube channel or on Facebook. We appreciate it. We're going to do another number here. This number's been done by a little bit about everybody. So, I guarantee you, y'all know it and y'all can sing along out there. Y'all ready? Well, tonight I'm alone without my new backseat. There's one still. All I have to do is sit along the road and little cabin home on the hill. Oh, someone take that from me and let me there alone. Just listen to the rain, you know how to go pay. I'll just keep it there so I won't be alone. Turn little cabin home on the hill. Oh, someone take that from me and let me there alone. Just listen to the rain, we don't mind the old pain. Turn little cabin home on the hill. You know, it can't be bluegrass without a cabin song. You know,
There's most of them.
there's a bunch of them cabin songs. I like every one.
There's more cabins than there is breakfast.
What about a little bit of instrumental?
Yeah.
Let's wear this thing out. Ready? fun. Shoo, that can get you warmed up.
It's a little warm in here.
Yeah.
Oh, listen, guys, again, we appreciate everybody taking time out of their day and out of their schedule to tune in to us on the Bird and I Show. We ask you just go ahead and click that like button or click that subscribe button. It's free. If you click that like button, I tell you what I'll do. I'll get Charlie over here to make you a tomato sandwich. Hey, listen, I bet you that button's clicking already. I can hear it clicking from here, Charlie.
Problem is, we're gonna find tomatoes.
Oh, we'll get some
I'll get
tomatoes.
some at the grocery store, baby.
$3.20.
Shoot, them things will be awful thin at that price.
Hey, I guarantee you, we can get the most expensive sandwich in the world. We can get some tomatoes and get some eggs.
Yeah.
Them eggs is high. I mean, I'm telling you.
I like fried tomatoes. I like fried egg with tomato. That's pretty good. Yes, sir. Charlie's over, guys. Out in the cold world, far away from home, mother's boy's wandering all alone. No one to guide him, keep the footsteps right. So mother's boy's home for last night. Oh, please, after me, my little one's home. There ain't no other left in the door. Tell him his mother, maybe she's in there. She's at the old home, waiting for oh, out in the hallway, screams the baby chair. There goes her shoes that want to be wear. Empty is the cradle, the one we left so well. Oh, how I miss him, don't tuck it every day. Oh, bring it back to me, I don't want to go. There is no other left in the world. Tell him his mother, maybe she's in there. She's at the old home waiting for him there. The search till you find him, bring him back to me. Far, far away, wherever he may be. Tell him his mother ain't she's at the old home waiting for him there. Oh, bring him back to me, my little boy. There is no other left in the world. Tell him his mother which made she's in there. She's at the old home waiting for him there. She's at the old home waiting for him there. Oh, son.
That's all we got for you this time, y'all. So,
Yes, sir. We appreciate you tuning in. So,
hell yeah.
hope you all enjoy the Bird and I Show. Oh, guys, the next time,
I'm Bird.
I'm out.
Who's Bird and I?
And we're the
This is Charlie.
They're the friends.
He's right here. Rick Cameron on the bass, guys. And back here behind,
I'm Bird.
Papa Bird. Whatever we call him. Thank you.